This is a final video to fix the "your operating system is no longer supported" error when installing H&R Block 2025 on Windows 10. Are you seeing this message and not sure what to do? This happens because H&R Block 2025 checks your Windows version and thinks it's too old, even if you're on Windows 10. Most guides online are long, confusing, and full of extra steps that waste your time. But on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works in seconds without touching complicated settings. All you need to do is adjust a small compatibility setting that fools the installer into running smoothly, and you'll be ready to start your tax prep immediately. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click and change, leave a comment below, and I'll create it for you.